isolate this gate. We will start with the gate.
Fine.
With the gate only we have to. We'll start my material editor review.
Okay.
We'll take a new slope, create a new slope. It's like metal. Do a material. Okay. We start with a very basic kind of metal, and then we will try to go to the advanced level of material. Okay.
Fine. Fine, sir.
And for texture also, there are some advanced. Yesterday, I was just thinking, what is something that I can share with you, because most of the student are my students are very basic, so you already know basic things. So I
Okay.
have some good advanced level of for texturing for you as well,
Fine, sir.
where we will discuss the normal map, displacement map, and PBR material will be there.
Okay.
Some advanced level that we can talk about.
Okay.
So today let's first complete the basic of our metal
Okay.
and other shaders, and
Okay.
then maybe next class we will talk some advanced about the texture part as well, no? Our normal map and displacement map.
Fine, sir.
Okay, so to create any metal, right now let's see what kind of metal I have already in this view. I'll
Okay.
just open my, just for reference purpose.
No, no problem, sir.
Just for reference purpose, I will start my work.
Okay.
1 second. Duration. Just take this one. Simple brown brass metal kind of
Okay.
gate, and this is the very rough kind of texture over here. Metal like it's rough metal over down, and shiny brass metal for my top portion.
Fine, sir.
Minimize. Okay. Let's take VA material first. VRAY.
Okay.
VA material. This will be my the first material, so I will make a copy of it. I will not touch this one. This is the basic.
Okay.
I will rename my first material. Let's
Okay.
start with a basic steel,
Okay.
and
Yes,
then
sir.
we
Fine.
can change the kind of metal like brass or gold or anything else.
Fine.
First, start with a basic steel
Okay.
material. We don't have light and other things, so on here on viewport you are not able to see, but over here we
Okay.
do something like preview, open preview window.
Okay.
Here you can see the effect.
Okay.
But here you can see the effect.
Okay.
Okay, so this is my preview, and over here I have steel. So what happens generally when we make chrome, the steel doesn't have its own texture. The steel reflect, if it is very polished steel, it's like a glass, it will reflect the outside environment, no?
Okay.
For diffuse we turn it into black completely,
Oh. Okay.
and reflection 100%.
Okay.
But I suggest don't take 100%, take little bit less than 100, 95, 90, to make
Okay.
it more realistic kind of thing. Okay?
Fine.
So little less I take. Okay. For reflection, this is done. And Fresnel reflection is there.
Mhm.
For metal, just turn it off.
Okay.
And it will be like very reflective over here. On my preview, you can see the bottom is white, so it is reflecting white over here, and top portion is gray. Okay, so it is now 100% reflection. Glossiness defines does about the surface of your object, how polished surface it is.
Okay.
Reflection is the reflectivity, how much capability of the object is to reflect the light.
Okay.
This is something like object's capacity to reflect the light, how much.
Okay.
And glossiness about the surface, how you see sometimes we tell how glossy is the surface. So if my it is polished, very much polished, it will be very reflective. You see the edges over here is very sharp, no?
Yeah.
So if you want to make a very blur kind of steel,
Okay.
like if you can see this
Correct.
kind of blur, my bottle is there.
Okay.
So just you have to reduce the glossiness over here.
Okay.
Like let's say 0.7. take some time to update. You see
Okay.
now there's a little blur kind of steel you will get over here.
Okay.
You get reflection, but you will not able to find out what kind of reflection you are getting on your object.
Okay.
Don't take it very low. If you
Okay.
want to reduce the reflection, make it a blur kind of rough kind of surface.
Okay.
To the maximum, take it to 0.6
Okay.
or 0.5 maximum. Don't take below that.
Fine.
Otherwise, it will take more render time. Because
Okay.
at the end, we also have to consider render time also. No?
Yeah, sure.
This should not take very much render time.
Okay.
So 0.6, 0.5 also work, give you much better result.
Okay.
So here I have two properties. Again, I will bring my glossiness to 1. This is very
Okay.
polished. I will make a copy of this,
Okay.
and this will be my like a rough metal. ROU, get rough metal. I'll just write a name over here.
Okay.
And glossiness I will reduce to 0.6.
Okay.
Any query, anything till now?
No problem, sir. I can follow.
You're clear with this?
I'm clear with this.
You clear with this? Okay, very nice. So this is the basic thing. Whatever metal you are going to create, you have to give the reflection and you have to remove the Fresnel reflection.
Fine.
Now, a little bit advanced, we are going to move from here.
Okay.
Okay. Again, we are into steel one. Okay.
Okay.
Let's get a copy of this.
Okay.
One second. Okay, here is something
Okay,
like
sir.
max depth. Little bit I will explain about max depth.
Understand.
Okay, by default it is 5. It
Okay.
is the number of times the reflection will bounce from one
Okay.
object to another object.
Okay.
You see, when the light hit an object, if you reflect light back,
Okay.
so how many times it will reflect back? Like it will come to one object and it reflect to another object, again it will reflect. So
Okay.
how many times the light should reflect? This one depend upon the max depth over here, that is number 5.
Okay.
Most of the case, this 5 is enough for you to get a good result.
Okay.
If you not get a proper result, then you have to increase a bit. I have seen people are increasing this to 8 and 10.
Okay.
Just to get more of reflections.
Okay.
If you have very, like in your kitchen, no, you have multiple utensils where
Okay.
the light used to bounce very much from
Okay.
all the utensils to walls and surroundings.
Okay.
I have seen people increase the max depth.
Okay.
But in our case, exterior there is not much of steel, no.
Fine, sir.
Light will reflect one or twice, so
Okay.
the default one is enough.
Okay.
So this many changes only we do for metal.
Okay.
Okay, that's all. Now let's create a brush kind of
Okay.
thing. So I make a copy
Sir,
of
and one more thing, sir. What is the other one, sir? F number. What is this? 1 second, sir.
Fresnel
That is called IOR. Sorry, IOR value.
index of reflection.
Index of reflection value should remain
Yes.
same or
No, it changes. Every metal has their own property of reflect the light, no.
yeah, correct.
Like gold is little shinier, pure like very polished surface is more shinier, dull surface is less shinier. So that
Okay.
the shyness or the power to throw back the light, that is index of reflection.
Okay.
So now you can see my
Okay.
computer screen, right?
I can see you.
Here you have seen the silver IOR is 1.8.
Okay.
Okay, for gold we have 1.35. So
Okay.
suppose we are making here brass. Let's see if there is brass is not there. Let's see copper
Okay.
index of reflection. So copper index of IOR is 1.21 something. No, let's
Okay.
copy this out.
Okay.
And we also have the color value here. Let's first make a copy of steel.
Okay.
Just double click over here so that it will be highlighted over here. Right click and then I will start a open preview window.
Okay.
I'll close this window and this will be my copper. Let's create a copper. Just 1 second, no, rain is coming inside.
No, no, no.
Hello?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yes, yes. Actually, the balcony is there, so the water is coming inside.
Okay, okay.
So we have created a copy of our steel material only,
Okay,
and I will just rename as copper.
okay,
And color we will deal later on.
okay,
First IOR, here you see IOR reflection is given over here.
okay,
By default it is locked and it is
okay.
controlled by Fresnel reflection.
Reflections. Okay,
So I have to on Fresnel and
okay,
unlock here. Click
okay,
on L to unlock and then
okay,
I can give the value which I have copied there.
okay,
Okay. Now the FOR is we have given over here. Now the color value we also have to give the color value. Right now see we are giving this kind of, see if you on Fresnel no,
okay,
your diffuse color will be getting activated.
okay,
Now diffuse color will be there.
okay,
So if you want complete steel, so we will off it. So your
okay,
diffuse color will not be there in the scene. That is
okay,
like complete shiny metal.
okay,
So if you using IOR, so I have to on the Fresnel
okay,
and the diffuse color will be active. So I have to take care of this color also, the diffuse color also,
okay,
and reflection color also as well.
okay,
So let's go here. Mm, so copper is 234. I was trying to do the shortcut, it's not work like that.
okay,
Like 234, I will just make little bit outside this one over here. So just entering the value for the color. For diffuse, it is giving diffuse 238. Control V 238, and then it is 158, 158, 158, and then 137, 137.
okay,
Okay, so got this color, no, almost. Yes, and reflection also there is some value we have to follow that. How much value is given? 255, 255, 255. Okay, complete. Yes, okay. Just one. Okay, so as per over here, it's given the copper value we have assigned over here.
okay.
You can see computer screen.
Yeah,
So the base color, whatever the base color is given, whatever the reflection value is given.
okay,
So we have given over here. So I'm not very satisfied with that. I've done this before also.
okay,
See, this is the result what I'm getting.
okay,
Okay, interference reflection is given, and some the base color is also given.
okay,
You can do this as it is given on also in the website of this video material is given over here. Video is
okay,
also mentioned that this way you can create gold. But I will tell you another method how I
okay,
usually do that.
okay,
Okay, so let's try my method. I will just try to take again steel color from here. Okay,
okay,
let's take as a brass. Consider as a brass. Okay, everything will be the same. Only thing I'm going to change over here the reflection color.
okay,
of brass color. If this kind of this kind of color, I will take. Let's preview. Okay.
Okay.
You see the computer screen now.
Yes, sir.
So this is as per the Viren has defined. This is the way of making metal, but this is what I usually do for my this project.
Okay.
So everything will be the same as we have created this steel.
Okay.
IOR, I don't want. I will not take IOR. I will off the Fresnel.
Okay.
And the color of this brass or copper or gold, I will take as per the reflection color.
Okay.
It should reflect this color only as per the brass color.
Okay.
Similarly, for gold also I will do the same steps. Okay.
Okay.
I will go to steel over here.
Okay.
Shift click, make a copy. Double click over here, and then I will rename it
Okay.
gold metal. Okay.
Okay.
And very simply it will be done by the same step.
Reflection color. Okay.
Only the reflection color you have to deal with.
Okay.
We will talk a little bit advance of this later on, but as of now, the simplest method is just to change the reflection color.
Okay.
Because upon the color, the gold will be more shinier, more bright color, or more this less bright color.
Okay.
You can see my computer screen, right?
Yes, sir. And I have seen, sir, when we apply the lighting, when the lighting has been done, the color of the metal changes according to the environment.
Yes, definitely changes.
So gold will not look like a gold then.
Now you have to do color correction a bit.
After that, you have to do a color collection, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, yes. Okay.
It's okay. It's not a big deal.
Okay.
You will get gold there in color correction.
Okay.
Color correction, little bit of saturation you have to increase. That's
Okay.
it.
Okay.
1 second. No, I have my one of my project. I would just like to share. The strips over here also saturation is over here also. Just the shade is different. The material is same.
Okay.
The statue over here is the only the color I have changed and created this kind of gold.
Okay.
Over here also some kind of goldish table I have created.
Okay.
And just saturation you have a little bit increase in Photoshop.
Okay.
And you
Okay.
get the result.
Fine.
So this is the very basic and very simple way of doing gold and brass and all. This is also good, but this is I'm not very happy with this kind of copper which Vire has suggested.
Okay.
Because for metal you have to off the Fresnel or you have to increase the Fresnel value, the IOR very high.
Okay.
Here the IOR where I am using gold, if I off the Fresnel it will come black.
Okay.
So to get the proper metallic look I have to increase my IOR. Right now I am getting 1.6, so I just have to increase it.
Okay.
Get the proper reflection. I just close this one. You see,
Okay.
it is
Right, sir.
the brightness is increasing.
Okay.
It will give a more reflective kind of gold. Right now
Okay.
it is less reflective.
Okay.
So simply I will suggest turn off the Fresnel.
Okay.
You will get a very good result.
Okay.
Okay, clear so far?
Clear. Clear.
You want to practice this? It's okay.
It's okay, sir. No problem. I will only practice one metal, that is chrome, in front of you. Okay. SS material. SS material.
Yeah, chrome and steel are the same or anything different you are trying to
No,
say?
no, sir. What I'm trying to tell is I will practice now. What is the SS in front of you?
I want you to try this metal.
Yes, yes, yes. One material I'll try.
Yes, try that. How you try to make? I just want to see how you try to make, how
Correct,
you
correct, sir.
work.
I will try the SS metal now. Okay.
Yes, try.
Right. Sir, one more doubt I have, sir. Sir, in a square object, okay, if it is a cylinder object, the SS material it will come good in that. Okay. But whereas in a box sections, okay, in a rectangular, sir, the SS material will not be good. I don't know how.
It's quite obvious. Because flat surface don't reflect properly. Only
Okay.
the you need some curvy surface to reflect the
Correct,
light.
correct, correct, correct.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
yes.
So there is a solution for that.
Yeah, I have a trick for that.
Okay.
I have a trick. Wait, I tell you.
Because now our gate is on rectangular, I mean square basis, rectangle square basis.
Yes,
Now
yes,
it
yes.
now we need a trick to apply on that. No? So now we can see lot of SS gates are coming up.
Suppose this brass metal, it will not be visible over here.
Okay.
Just apply. It will completely come black. On
Okay.
flat surface,
Yeah.
for example, on flat surface also I want some metal to be reflected over here. No,
Okay.
you can do two things.
Okay.
First one is you can take the help of fall off.
Okay.
You know about it, right?
No, sir. I don't know about that.
Fall off. Of a little bit, I will explain what is fall off. Fall off is something which will affect the reflection surface.
Okay.
Like your surface will not reflect on the same way.
Okay.
Some portion will reflect, some portion will not reflect. It will
Okay.
create some that kind of effect.
Okay.
As you see over here, the preview, the reflection at the center is very high,
Okay.
and at the edges it is little darker. You see,
Okay.
no?
Correct. Correct.
So your metal or any kind of reflective surface will try to react like that.
Okay.
Mostly we use on cloth also when we
Okay.
do some, you know,
Sofa materials.
yes, some sofa
Okay.
cloth where we want
Okay.
reflection should not be uniformly to all the my surfaces. There should be some surfaces less reflective and some surfaces very high reflective. We
Okay.
use fall off.
Okay.
So what we will do, we use this as a reflection over here.
Okay.
Let's double click over. Let's take this brass only,
Okay.
and on reflection where we use color, we
Okay.
use now we use the fall off.
Okay.
See, now fall off is overwriting my color. Now,
Okay.
so my this brass property is gone. No?
Okay.
How to get back that brass property now? No, color
Okay.
is gone.
Okay.
You see, if I open my preview, I get some black and white reflection,
Correct.
which is good. Some portion is reflecting, some portion is not reflecting, but the
Yeah.
color value by brass actually is gone.
Okay.
So you come over here on fall off.
Okay.
You see, it's deal with black and white.
Okay.
Black less reflective, white more reflective.
Okay.
Now here we have to give the color value.
Okay.
Again we go on brass and just copy from here, right click, copy the color value because we need this color of my brass.
Okay.
Go to fall off
Okay.
and paste, let's say for the white reason, paste over here.
Okay.
You see we are getting little bit of brass effect.
Okay.
Again we will paste the same thing to the black as well.
Okay.
Now this doesn't making any sense. No, both color are the same. So we
Same.
have to differentiate. Now black color I have to make it little darker shade,
Okay.
and white color little lighter shade.
Okay.
So there should be some differentiation.
Okay.
So what effect this will give? No, your even the flat surface will not reflect the same thing. Now
Okay.
there will be some black and white, some less and darker reflection.
Okay.
So that will give you a sense of metallic look to your flat object as well.
Fine.
As here it is.
Okay.
Okay. Other than that, you have some properties over here, fall off type, because every metal, every object work differently.
Okay.
If you are working on the flat surface, maybe here as a gate, and interior as this table you have some
Oh.
dining table, everything you have.
Okay.
In kitchen you have some utensil.
Okay.
So you have to try different kind of fall off type here. You see,
Okay. I
you
can see.
have fall off type is perpendicular, parallel, Fresnel, These are
Okay.
different kind of angles of
Okay.
changing the reflection value
Okay.
for the surface where it is applied. So
Okay.
it depends upon the interior scene also, the lighting also, and object to object it differ.
Okay.
Some object, the default perpendicular will work very much, very good. You get
Okay.
a very good result.
Okay.
Otherwise, you have to change the value from here.
Okay.
Fresnel or shadow light or there are very good options you get over here. Now you see the difference I'm getting on my reflection.
Okay.
You see shadow light, perpendicular.
Okay.
My reflection value is changing, not the value. The reflection type is changing
The
over
type
here.
it changes. Yes, correct.
Yes. Below, make it a camera z-axis only.
Okay.
Don't change this one because wherever you place your camera, it will try to change as per the camera view.
Fine, sir. Okay.
So just keep it as it is camera only. We want to look for my camera and
Okay.
change the reflection as
Okay.
per the camera only. Okay.
Okay.
Just try to this follow. Now, little bit of advance I'm trying to explain over here. Now, you see over here, no, this
Okay.
small thumbnail over here.
Yeah.
You see there is the brightness and lightness have a ratio over here, no.
Okay.
The center portion is how bright it is. The edges is how dark it is. Now, if you want to change the ratio, if I want my brighter portion to be more brighter
Okay.
and darker portion to be more darker,
Okay.
what I will do? You see, there's a mixed curve over here.
Yes, correct.
And then output also it works the same way.
Okay.
Let me do with output first.
Okay.
Because on output I have a more options. On mixed curve
Okay. Okay.
I have a curve, but on output I have a different option,
Okay.
one option. So let me work with this.
Okay.
Not this. First of all, let's do with the output amount.
Okay.
The amount of reflection we are getting over here, you can change it by the amount of it's 1. Let me take it 5.
Okay.
So it is so
Good.
much reflective, the color is not able to see only, it is so much reflective.
Yes.
So it is very high, so will not go that much, little less.
Okay.
So 1 is default. If you increase, let's take 1.3, you see it is getting more brighter.
Okay.
If you reduce 0.7, the reflection is getting dull over here.
Okay.
So the output amount is the amount of reflection you want from your surface.
Okay.
So I will make it 1 only.
Okay.
Now color map.
Okay.
Yeah. You have to change this curve over here. This
Okay.
curve is the reflection value over here.
Okay.
Just click on the plus sign.
Okay.
One second. Yeah. Let's do it another simple way first. Just click the move tool over here.
Okay.
Click the edge right side and just make it a bigger corner.
Okay.
And when you try to move the curve,
Okay.
you see it is getting more darker.
Okay.
It is getting more brighter.
Yes, yes, correct.
So with the help of curve also you can make it little darker or brighter.
Okay.
So you have to do test and see which result you are getting, and accordingly you can make change on this.
Okay, fine.
Most of the cases you don't need to come down over here, just the top portion you need to change the color.
Okay.
And change the fall of time will work very fine.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Yeah, if you want to go more advanced, if clients say no, I want this to be more brighter, more darker, the shade should be more something like XYZ.
Okay.
Then you have to come to mixed curve and then you have to apply those settings over there.
Fine.
Anything like to ask in here till now?
Sir, this fall off will be useful for even the glass metal?
Yes, of course. For
Gla-
any reflective,
For steel it is applicable? Steel?
Yes, of course. Doing it for steel, brass.
Steel brass. Just even for the cloth,
fabric.
fabrics.
Yes, of course you can use it for fabric as well.
Okay, fine.
So fall off, the main why method of why we use fall off is to distribute the reflection not evenly but uneven.
Unevenly. Okay.
Yes,
To
some
to look
portion.
more natural.
Yes, it will be like some more natural.
More natural. Right.
Yes, and in my case, for the flat object, you will get some portion will be more brighter, even in flat object also, and some portion will be more darker. So give you a feel that something is reflecting over there.
Fine, sir.
Just try to see fall off and all the options over here.
Okay.
Just try to do it yourself.
Okay. Now, sir. Now.
Yeah, yes. In front of me, I will get
Right.
to see you how
Right.
you do.
So for that, first I have to create a brass material.
The metal you have used, just make a copy of that.
Okay.
You have with you
Yes,
steel. Just make a copy.
okay.
Change the
And
name.
to brass.
Yes, change the name.
One second, I'll switch on the light. Okay.
Yes. Little bit of oranges color,
That's it.
somewhere between red and yellow. Between red and yellow.
One second, sir. The system is getting hanged there. One second.
Okay.
This is okay, sir?
Fine.
Okay.
Glossiness make it one. Glossiness make it one.
Make it
Yeah.
1 minute.
Okay, fine.
Uh,
Nice. Good. Yes. Yeah, just try to change the follow type.
okay.
Yeah, good.
And this is direction toward the camera Z. This
Camera,
is,
yes.
we should not touch it. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now I'll come here.
Output, yes.
Put variable color map
Yes.
and try to change this to corner this here.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, fine. Absolutely fine. Yeah, correct. So we have done fall off, which is very important. It will be helpful for all kind of materials,
Correct.
whether it's metal, glass, or cloth, fabric.
Okay. Okay.
You get lots of metal now. Okay, so
Okay.
whatever metal is there
Okay.
in our scene, try to create this with the help of metal.
Fine, sir.
There is little bit advanced, more things in material I have to explain to you.
Okay, sir.
Let's see, we have just going through what next I can explain to you.
Okay.
Do you know about blend material or combined material or multi material?
No, sir. I have just not tried it.
Composite, sorry, combined I said it's composite.
Composite, no, sir. Uh, then two-sided material, the composite, and blend material. I have not tried it in my projects.
Okay, okay. Two-sided you don't need here in this kind of exterior
Only
project.
interiors we did.
Interior when we do, then that we can leave that for the later.
Right, sir.
Blend material also, but multi material so very easy. I have you came across this multi material.
I have not tried it in my project.
Multi sub object.
Multi-subject object I know.
Yes, yes. Yeah,
That
that one.
I'm using it regularly.
Yes, correct, correct. So multi composite blend material, and one thing more is there. One second. Uh, Noise, I think. Noise. About noise, you know this one. Let me bring this.
Yeah.
About noise, have you used this in your scene?
I'm using it regularly for the exterior walls
Yes, actually, yes, it's good.
because of the smooth surface. There is a reflection problem.
Mm-hmm.
To, we use noise for that surfaces because
Yes,
naturally even the walls are not smooth.
yes, actually, there is some.
There
Your
is
the
a
concrete is very rough.
very rough. So to get that surface, I use noise there.
Yes. So you are aware of this.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, good, nice. Good. Good. Is there anything question you have regarding metal? Any
Uh,
specific thing that you are doing and facing some problem?
no, now this is clear, sir. I will try this because that SS material I use more for the exteriors.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now with the fall off, I'll try to do it with the SS material.
Okay. Let me. We have time. Let me share something with for the windows. Like, see, in our scene. Let me bring all the components of our scene. Now
Okay.
you can do the metallic part for the
Okay.
gate,
Okay, I can do that.
railings.
I
Yes, you
can.
can do that.
Okay.
Walls is okay with you.
It's already done.
Door is okay, fine.
Oh,
Let's talk about the windows. No,
oh yeah.
we have a window over here.
Okay.
Uh, how we create a window?
Okay.
You tell me.
Yeah,
Let's
yeah.
see how much you know about creating the window over here.
Okay. You want me to do it, the window?
Yes, try it by yourself. Then I will teach you.
Sir,
I
okay.
have planned something for you.
Fine, sir. Sir, I brought the image. Yes.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes,
Done, sir.
correct.
Yes.
This is how normally you do for create windows, right?
Right, yes, yes.
Anything else you would do
No,
for
sir. I generally don't do this. I only apply a glass material, make it little dark and leave it. That's all I do.
you don't create something is then inside if it is nothing then it will be visible, no?
I'll
You
make that. No, I'll make the dark glasser, look, black glass.
okay.
Uh,
Okay,
you could you can see my images what I've sent. So I have not tried anything like this, sir.
okay. Then I have lots of things to share with you then.
Oh yeah, yeah, correct, sir, correct. Sir.
Okay, let's correct your little bit more step I will add on this. Okay,
Fine, fine,
see
sir. Fine.
see my computer screen.
Okay.
So suppose I have to create a matrix. over here there's a plane of only given over here.
Yeah,
Our
correct.
boxes I have created.
Correct, correct.
Here I will apply the material.
Okay,
So like some curtain is there and inside some light is there.
okay,
So I will just bring my this texture.
okay,
There are multiple texture available on internet and try that also. And I have
okay,
few that I
okay,
use mostly.
okay,
And I need a video material for this. Okay.
okay,
Simply diffuse,
okay,
double click, and this is my curtain.
okay,
Okay. And then apply.
okay.
And then show. And then UV I think I have to give.
Yes.
That is done. It is perfectly shaped of the window only.
Oh, correct.
So you will not find any problem on UV.
Fine,
So
sir.
now my window is done. But
Okay.
you know what happened? If some light is inside, then
Okay.
your window curtain will be little glow, no? It will
Yeah,
not be
it has
like
to
dull.
glow. Yeah.
Some glow effect should be there.
Okay.
So to create that glow effect, I will tell you two easy steps.
Okay.
The first one we do with simply this bitmap itself.
Okay.
What I will do, over here my curtain material, just double click over here.
Okay.
You see get the property for your material.
Correct.
Below you will see there is an option called self illumination.
Self illumination. Right. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
You just have to make it on.
Okay.
Sorry, not this one, this one.
Okay.
By default it is 1. By
Okay.
default value is absolutely fine. It will give you a very nice glowy effect. Now this texture will start to glow. Let me see if preview it is visible or not.
Okay.
I just increase the multiplier value.
Okay.
But I will recommend one value is perfect.
Fine.
Yes, you give a very nice result.
Okay.
Just to see the preview if it is over here or not, let me increase this.
Okay.
Okay, fine. Over here preview I am not getting the result. But
Okay.
trust me, when you do on your project, even with the one, just you have to own the self illumination.
Okay. GI. That is.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. And the
Now,
value should be 1.
yes.
Hmm.
So what happened now? Okay, here the color here. Okay, one mistake I did. The color is black.
Okay.
I have to increase this.
Okay.
It is getting much brighter.
Fine, sir.
But what happened? You see a white bright. It is coming all over the surface.
Okay.
No? It is not looking that real. It is brighter now, but
Okay.
it is not that realistic.
Correct.
So we don't need color. What we need this texture itself.
Okay.
So we will just drag over here and give and drag and drop and create the instance texture
Fine, sir.
for self illumination.
Okay.
Now see, this is over here. You see this is glowing, started glowing now.
Fine, sir.
So it will give like some light is inside and your curtain is having some glow effect.
Okay. This is how the night theater is done, sir. Interior, like as though we are showing some
Yes,
interior.
mostly in night
Okay.
we use this kind of trick.
Okay.
For day it's okay, you don't need it for day.
Okay.
But for night you need this kind of cooling material.
Fine, sir. Fine.
Not only for window, for any kind of material you want little bit of brightness should be there.
Okay.
Even for, I can say for TV screen or laptop.
Okay.
If there is some TV screen or laptop is there.
Okay.
You want that surface to be glow.
Okay.
Use self illumination.
Sir, this is better than the light material?
No, it is not better. It is shortcut.
It is shortcut method, sir.
So next, I was just trying to explain light material also. Let's
Fine, sir.
take that. You already
Okay.
know, I think, no?
I know the light material.
Simply, just need again that thing. Over here, just increase the value. How much
Light.
you want? That
Okay.
material.
Yes.
This also fine, absolutely fine.
Okay.
And if you have time, I would recommend go for light material. It is much better than the self illumination.
That is fine. Okay.
And if you don't have time, you want to complete your project in a hurry, then
Okay.
just you have to on the self illumination
Okay.
and give the same texture over here, and it will
Fine.
work absolutely fine.
Fine.
So both the way works with me. I have tried both the way is good for me.
Okay.